Okay. Yeah, I think that's good. So here's let me kind of give the audience homework. So we're modeling all this off of Zigzag Boom, which is an existing game, which at this point you should go and download. I think it's iOS or Android, right? Isn't it? It's on both
Both,
platforms.
and it's free.
So there's really no, yeah, and it's free. So there's no excuse not to go look at the app. Uh, get a good sense of what it is, how it works, what the things that you notice are, and all that kind of stuff like that. And then go back and watch Hangout 129, where Ed breaks down the app itself, the different components, the different mechanics, and then go download Ed's code and do exactly what he's doing here, which is step through the code and understand how everything is structured, not only just from the folder structures and the files that are included and stuff like that, but also things like the module, like the sound module and stuff like that, how those things are being used.
Then, if you really want to understand this, and I'm speaking from someone who has been teaching programming for 20 years now, do it yourself. Type the code in, write it yourself. Don't just simply read through Ed's code. Ed's code is fantastic. You're going to learn a ton reading through it, but there's something that creates a learning connection by going ahead and writing that code yourself.
Yeah, a very good point. So that's your homework. Go do that. And then next week we will come back and we will look at code, right? For putting,
Yeah.
we'll start laying down.
I'm sorry, I just heard the word homework and I got shivers.
Okay.
On that point, Brian's point is right. Next week we're going to do some real concrete code. We're going to focus on making the walls next week. We may be able to accomplish more, but our primary focus next week will be understanding how you create just one section of walls. Not even the continuous one, because it's a big discussion, but just the initial set. How do I draw walls? Just a few.